During my college vacation, Mom and I planned a picnic trip to San Francisco. We arrived at our cozy rest house just as night fell. It was dark, and the wind howled outside. Suddenly, there was a knock on the door. My stepmom opened it, revealing a young girl with long hair, standing with a friendly smile. "Hi, I'm your neighbor," she said cheerfully. "I teach English at San Francisco High English College." My stepmom smiled back. "Thank you for stopping by. My stepson could use some help with his English skills." The young teacher grinned. "I'd be happy to help." The next day, we all sat outside in the garden. The teacher told us funny stories and taught me new words in such an exciting way that I didn't even realize I was learning. By the end of our vacation, my English had improved a lot. I felt confident and happy. On the last night, I thanked the young teacher. She winked and said, "Remember, learning can be fun and full of surprises." We waved goodbye, and as we drove away, I knew this trip had turned into an unforgettable adventure.